So this is my 94 Chevy Lumina Euro. I've taken it into the shop a couple of times. They can't figure out what's wrong with it. My check engine light's not coming on, and the car just runs like crap. So let's start her up here. This is what happens when I push on the gas pedal. And I had to pull out the fuse for the ABS light because it is shorting out or something. So let's see what happens when I go to stop. That weird ass noise. And it just stalled. Very jumpy. So anybody who knows what it could be, that would be great. I'm running out of answers here. It's not a vacuum leak. All the sensors are fine. It's got to be an electrical issue somewhere, or possibly a clogged catalytic converter, or even maybe a fuel pump. When it does stall out, it has no problem starting back up. And sometimes when I start it, it'll instantly idle high at about 2,000 RPM, somewhere in there.